Okay, page 912. Okay, practice problem 20.5. Okay, it's just a conceptual question. Are the following redox reactions spontaneous as they're written? Okay, so as they're written. Okay, let's look at this first one. We've got zinc plus the nickel ion reacting to produce the zinc ion plus the nickel solid. Okay, break the two or separate it into two half reactions. Okay, leave them as written. We're determining as they are written, is the reaction spontaneous? So the reaction shows the zinc going through an oxidation process while the nickel is going through a reduction process. Okay? Turn back a few pages in your book to the reduction potentials table to check those E cell values. Zinc has a reduction potential of negative 0.76 volts, while the nickel has a negative 0.23 volts. Now, looking at those two reduction potentials from the table, the more positive E cell value will be the reduction process. It has a greater reduction potential. So nickel should do the reduction while zinc should do the oxidation, which is how it is written. Nickel has the greater reduction potential. We can solve cathode minus anode with those reduction potentials. We get a positive 0.53 volts. If the E cell value is positive, that tells us it is a spontaneous process. Okay, it is a spontaneous process. That would also mean that the delta G value for the reaction would be negative to reinforce that spontaneous nature. Okay, and then the second reaction, we've got zinc going through an oxidation with calcium written as a reduction. We go to the reference table again. We find that the zinc has the greater reduction potential. Okay, zinc has the greater reduction potential compared to calcium. Okay, so the zinc should do the reduction, not the oxidation. So if we calculate the E cell as it is written, we would have the calcium reduction minus the oxidation zinc. Okay, it would be kind of reversed. You see the E cell comes out to be negative 2 volts. If your E cell has a negative value, it is not spontaneous. Okay, this reaction is not written as spontaneous. It is written as non-spontaneous. Okay, in this reaction, we would need an outside source of energy. A sustained source of energy to make this process happen, okay? Because zinc would naturally do the reduction when reacting with the calcium, okay?